The raw zucchini mystery. Zucchini, a staple in many kitchens, is often cooked, but have you ever wondered about its raw potential? Some love it, some are skeptical. Let's unravel the mystery of raw zucchini. Can you eat raw zucchini? Absolutely. Raw zucchini is not only edible but brings a crisp, refreshing bite to the table. Its mild flavor and crunchy texture make it a fantastic addition to salads, snacks, and more. Embracing zucchini in its raw form preserves its nutritional goodness, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. If you're aiming for a healthy, fresh kick, raw zucchini is a great choice. Raw zucchini offers a mild, slightly sweet taste and a satisfying crunch. It's a wonderful canvas for various flavors and complements other ingredients beautifully. From zucchini noodles to thinly sliced ribbons, the culinary possibilities are endless. Get adventurous and explore the creative side of raw zucchini in salads, wraps, or as a refreshing snack. While raw zucchini is generally safe to eat, some people may experience mild digestive issues in large quantities. Start with small portions if you're new to raw zucchini to gauge your body's response. So can you eat raw zucchini? Absolutely, it's a delightful, fresh addition to your kitchen adventures. Always consult with a qualified professional to ensure a balanced and suitable approach to a raw food diet. If you enjoyed this exploration into the world of raw zucchini, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious discussions. Until next time, happy crunching!